Hi, I'm Jamila from Color Me Crafty, and today we are going to compare mini heat presses. I have the HTVRont heat press and also the Cricut EasyPress Mini. The only thing that I wasn't able to compare was the actual temperature. I did not get to compare that, but I did set up a timer to see how long it took each to heat up and how long it took each to cool down, and we also tested sublimation sheets on sublimation blanks, and we tested them pressing vinyl. Before we get started, if you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, and drop me a comment after you watch this video. Let me know what you thought. Let's get into it. Immediately you notice a difference in size. The HTVRont is larger than the Cricut EasyPress Mini. They both have 3 heat settings still. They both have this little handle looking thing, and they both have a point at the edge and rounded bottom. Let's see how long it takes for them to get to their full temperature. Again, HTVRont brand heats up quicker than the Cricut Mini. Next, we're going to see how they do with sublimation sheets. So I have 2 sublimation magnets and this sublimation sheet, and I'm just going to take these down. I'm going to add another sheet of glitter paper over the top. And they're right under there. And I'm going to set this one here and this one here. Set a timer for 1 minute. both over and start the timer again. As we can see, the Cricut brand didn't do very well. You can see the shape of the press here. HTVRont did a little bit better. There's a little bit of ghosting, but not too much. Next, we are going to take this down a notch, and let's see how long it takes to cool. HTVRont seems to be ready already. And we are going to press these. We're still waiting on the Cricut Mini to cool down. saw in the video, they are both very comparable. The HTVRont is bigger and it heated up faster, but they both work fairly the same. The only thing is with the EasyPress Mini, because the base is so small, it had a little trouble with the sublimation paper. In all honesty, unless I was doing something like pop sockets or small little keychains, something that the base would fit over entirely, I would not be using these for sublimation or with sublimation sheets. But that is our comparison. Both are comparable in price and both work very well. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.